Hello and welcome to Mindfulness. What if I had a really successful day today? How would I feel if I was able to master my day today? What would it be like to be great? What would the sensation of abundance be like? What would it be like to be healthy? I'm going to teach my body emotionally, you stated. It is when you will begin to feel worthwhile, abundant, and wealthy. You are now taking steps toward your achievement the instant you begin to feel powerful and your body begins to sense it. When you're in love with yourself and with life, you've started to attract equals. When you start experiencing appreciation and completeness, that's when your healing begins. And when you're in awe of life, you'll experience a synchronicity or a mystical moment, and now that's producing an impact. It's much easier to forget your vision of the future than it is to remember it, and it takes practice to do so. So in this meditation, I'd like to talk to you about the thoughts that are getting in the way of your future, the behaviors that you'll have to stop doing, and the emotions that you'll have to trade for elevated emotions. We'll be constructing a new personality. What beliefs do you wish to hold? What are your plans? What kinds of behaviors? What type of person do you want to be someday? What feelings would you choose to live by every day? And we're going to put you in a very light altered state, and all I'm going to do is have you become aware of your old self, so familiar with that old self that you don't go unconscious for the rest of your day. And then we're going to become familiar with fire and wire installation circuitry, emotionally condition your body into a new future. And as an experiment, we want to see if you can catch yourself in your waking day not believing certain thoughts, no matter what. And we're going to put you in a very light altered state, and all I'm going to do is have you become aware of your old self, so familiar with that old self that you don't go unconscious for the rest of your day. And then we're going to become familiar with fire and wire installation circuitry, emotionally condition your body into a new future, and as an experiment, we want to see if you can catch yourself in your waking day not believing certain thoughts, no matter what. Let us do an experiment. Let's have a look at how it impacts you in your regular life. I hope you enjoy pulling the mind out of the body and ascending your energy, moving from particle to wave, from matter to energy, from survival to creation, transmuting the flesh and being the alchemist, turning limited emotions into elevated emotions, freeing yourself, and breathing with a level of energy and intensity greater than any emotion's addiction, freeing yourself from the past. Come on, let's get started. Contract the perineum, lower abdomen, and upper abdomen intrinsic muscles. As you tuck those muscles in, let your energy follow your awareness, squeeze and hold it as you inhale with your nose, and pull that energy from your perineum through your lower belly, upper abdomen, chest, throat, and brain all the way to the top of your head in one calm, steady breath. Come on, hold it, and relax as you exhale. Come on, be your own hero, defeat yourself and liberate your body from the past. Come on now, inhale through your nose, and tense those intrinsic muscles like you're trying to shoot fluid up a straw. Pull that energy up from your perineum to the top of your head and keep it there. Let your energy follow your awareness and stay there. Hold it, please. Can you focus your attention on the space that your throat takes up in space and feel the volume of space that your throat takes up? Can you become conscious of space's energy? Can you rest your consciousness in the area occupied by your chest and become aware of the volume of space occupied by your chest? Can you emotionally educate your body on what it is to be free? In terms of invincibility, how does that feel? Can you emotionally educate your body on having a strong will? How would that make you feel? What is your most powerful manifestation of yourself? Can you emotionally educate your body on what it feels like to be limitless and divine, to rejoice in your presence, and to adore who you are and all of life? Is it possible to educate your body to act emotionally? What does your immediate future look like? And give your body time to adjust to a new mentality. The longer you stay in this condition of being, the more possibilities will come your way. Let your body be free of the past. You must employ a level of intensity greater than your brain's inbuilt instructions and your body's emotional memories. So, let's get started. Squeeze those muscles, inhale through your nose, and draw that energy from your lower spine to the top of your head. Keep your concentration at the top of your head, and let your energy follow and stay with your awareness. Squeeze it and hold it, squeeze it and hold it, and let that energy follow your consciousness. Hold it with the purpose of removing your thoughts from your body and releasing yourself from the past. Come on, hold it, and relax as you exhale now. Calm the vortex, please. You must pursue it to construct a field around you by releasing energy. You must go after it. Take a deep breath now, inhale and tense those muscles, follow that energy from your perineum through your body to the top of your head, and squeeze and hold. Hold it, and then relax. Come on, be your own hero, defeat yourself, and liberate your body from the past. Now come on again. Inhale through your nose and tense those intrinsic muscles as if you were pulling liquids up a straw. Pull that energy up from your perineum to the top of your head and keep it there. Let your energy follow your awareness and stay there. Come on, hold it, and lay your left hand over your heart. I want you to bless your body with a new thought and allow your consciousness to raise it to bless your life. Let it be an extension of your mind to bless your soul, that it wakes you up from this dream, and finally, if Ford's made manifest that gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership, because gratitude means it's already happened and now brings your awareness to a new body, a new environment, and a whole new time, and when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you. If you enjoy this content, we invite you to subscribe for more. Let me know how it makes you feel. Thanks again.